Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you are new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to share with you how I made this candy corn Halloween inspired water marble design. It is really easy to do. I just dunked in 5 fingers at a time. It is so quick, so convenient. You only have a little bit of cleanup afterwards and you're left with an awesome manicure. So if you want to know how I made this, please keep on watching. So I had already applied my base coat and 2 thin layers of this white essence polish. This one is from the Shine Less Than Go collection. It dries super fast and it's called 33 Wild White Ways. It is super affordable as well, so that's a big plus. Then I'm going to use a little like skin protection barrier because we are going to dunk in our nails in a lot of nail polish. I am using this one by Essence. I don't know if it is still available or actually sold. It might be so that they discontinued it, but this one doesn't contain any latex, which is a really nice thing if you have like latex allergies or something like that. Personally, I don't have any allergies, but I really dislike the smell of latex. That is why I actually use this one. And this one smells like really fresh, like a little bit florally in my opinion. So I just want to apply that around the nail for all fingers and let it dry for about 5 minutes. Then these are the colors that I'm going to use for the marble. So perfect candy corn colors. And this one is Don't Judge a Nail by Its Color, number 47. This one is by an older collection by Catrice. Then I'm also going in with 46 Work Hard Play Orange. I think these are from like the spring collection 2019 or even the summer collection of like 2018. I'm not sure. And I'm also going to use the white we also used as a base color. For the marble itself, I'm going to use a little sewing needle or like some ball and needle. So you just want to use some filtered water. I just boiled this water the day before, filtered it, made sure it was completely like room temperature. I never use cold or hot water for this, just room temperature is fine, boiled and filtered. And you want to start off making your bullseye. Like, sorry, I was a little bit out of frame. The polish just decided to go to the top of the little bowl that I'm using, and you just want to dunk in a couple of drops. It really doesn't matter in what kind of pattern you do so. I just think that yellow, orange and white are perfect Halloween colors and I just really love the combination. So you just want to dunk in some drops. You don't have to do too many because we're going to make the marble with the needle anyway. Just make sure that the pattern is big enough for 5 nails, for actually dunking in 5 nails at a time, and you want to work pretty fast because water marbles dry super fast as well. Then I actually position my hand kind of like a claw before dunking it in. That is like for me personally the best method to just marble all 5 nails at a time. It is super efficient because you won't be like wasting a lot of time or product. So yeah, just leave your fingers in the water for I think like 30 seconds or something and remove any excess nail polish on the surface of the water with a cotton bud or something like that, a Q-tip. You could even use an orange wood stick, and I just left my nails in there a little bit longer just to make sure I didn't have any air bubbles or anything like that. And then all of your nails are completely marbled already. Like, how convenient is that? It does take a little bit practice to actually dunk in 5 nails at a time. A lot of people already struggle with making water marbles, so just start off with 1 or maybe 2 nails at a time and then just try it. Like, go crazy, just try it out. It's just nail polish. You can remove it if it totally failed. So I just removed that nail polish barrier and I just cleaned up the edges a little bit more with a brush and some nail polish remover. I also really wanted to add some silver holographic, like finely milled glitter, and I'm going to mix that up up with one of my thicker top coats. This one is by Catrice. It is the gel top coat, but it's just a regular nail polish top coat. You don't have to cure it or anything like that. I just put a little bit of that on one of my resin plates, and I'm just going to dunk in. This was from a limited edition by Catrice. It was beautiful, like super finely milled holographic glitter. You can actually use it for nail art, but you can use it on the skin as well if you want to incorporate it in your makeup look. I think it's like a year, maybe 2 years ago already, that they actually came out with a beautiful loose glitter like that. So I'm just going to mix it up with my dotting tool, and I also wanted to apply it to the nail with my dotting tool, but I felt like it was a little bit too thick that way. So I just switched up the dotting tool for one of my brushes. This is actually one of my cleanup brushes. So again, you really don't need a lot of tools or different brushes. A lot of your like nail art brushes are like very convenient because you can actually use them for different things. So yeah, just make sure you always clean out your brush when you are done with it. You don't want to leave any nail polish in there. Just make sure you clean it up really nicely with like rubbing alcohol or acetone. So I'm just going to randomly apply some of this glitter mix to the nails. I think it was already a really pretty water marble, like on its own with just the 3 colors. But you guys know me, I love my glitters and I just love a little bit of sparkle in my life. So I just decided to add this holographic glitter. It's totally up to you if you want to do this yourself. You could use like a sparse like finely milled glitter nail polish as well if you don't have any loose glitters, or you just feel like this is too much of a hassle to actually mix it up yourself and having to work and apply it that fast. But yeah, just do whatever you want to. I think it was beautiful on its own, but I just really love my glitters, so that's why I added the hollow glitter. Then I just took one of my like thinner, more watery top coats, because I feel like that works best when I have applied any glitter, so it really sinks in between the glitters as well and actually coats it perfectly so your nails feel smooth afterwards. So this one is by Catrice as well. It's the High Shine Quick Dry one. I have the one in the old packaging, so this one is still available, but the packaging looks a little bit different. I think it has like a square bottle now instead of a round one. So yeah, just check it out if you feel like it. And of course, always remember to cap off the edges as well to make sure that your manicure lasts a long time without any chipping or like tip wear or anything like that. So yeah, this was already my like candy corn Halloween inspired water marble design. I really hope you liked it. If you have any questions or comments regarding marbling or nail art or anything nail related whatsoever, just let me know in the comments down below. I always love answering your questions and I just really like to help you guys out if you have any things like you're struggling with, like with anything. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and as usual, I hope to see you in one of my next videos.